How to remove an Instagram account from your account center on an iPhone 8 Plus. If you've linked multiple Instagram or Facebook accounts and want to remove one, this updated method will walk you through the latest steps. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the Settings and Activity. Next, select Account Center. With the latest Instagram update, the old method of removing an account from the profile section may no longer be available. Instead, scroll down and tap Manage Accounts. You'll now see all the accounts linked to your account center. Find the account you want to remove, then tap Manage next to that account. Next, tap Move out of this account center. Again, tap Move Account. And tap Continue. If the account doesn't already have its own password, Instagram may ask you to create one first. Enter a new password, confirm it, and tap Continue. After that, tap Yes, Finish Moving to remove the account from your account center.
Instagram will remove that account from your account center while keeping the account itself active. This means the account isn't deleted. It simply won't be linked with your other Meta accounts anymore. And that's how you can remove an Instagram account from your account center on an iPhone 8 Plus. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.